Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create virtual host in Ubuntu system. Okay, so you can see that here I already run my Laravel application over here, and you can see that localhost 8000. And let me go to the code. Here is my Laravel application. Now what I want to access from like laravel.test virtual host, okay, and it's accessing from the local system. Okay, so what you need to do, if you are using the Apache, then first of all let me go here, and I will say etc. Okay, and then there will be a Apache folder. Okay, and there is a sites available. Okay, and then you need to just type ls. Okay, then you can see that several files. So by default, if you just simply install it, then you will find just default file. Okay, I already created previously this all configuration, but I will use 00 default. Okay, so what you need to do, copy this file. Okay, I will say 00.default, and then I will say laravel.test.conf. okay, so basically this 00 default file will copy into the laravel test. Okay, so now you need to run with the sudo command. So sudo, and now you can see that there is already created laravel.test. Okay, now what you need to do, nano, and then I will say laravel.test.conf. Okay, and yeah, control x, yeah, because I just need to use sudo because this is the required to permission. And then now first of all what I will do, server name, so I want to call laravel.test. Okay, and then I need to add the directory path. So inside www I created laravel folder, and then inside public directory my index file is placed over there. Okay, next at the end what I need to do, give to the permission of laravel directory. So what I will do, directory. Okay, and I will say where www and laravel directory. Okay, and then I need to follow some Apache 2 rules to given the permission. So I will say options. Okay, and then I will say indexes, and then I will say follow sim links. Okay, and I forgot to add multi views as well, multi views. Okay, and then I need to add allow override, and then all. Okay, and then I will say require all granted. Okay, so this is the permission that I given, and here let me close directory. Okay, directory tag. Okay, and then I will say control x, and I will make it yes. Okay, now I need to enable this okay, virtual host. So what I need to use, sudo, and there is a command add2 in site. Okay, and then I will say laravel.config and hit enter. You can see that enable the site .laravel.test, and then I need to restart again Apache. So copy this sudo, and you can see that my Apache is restart properly. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to go my host file. So host file is placed on etc folder. So I will say nano etc, and I will say host. Okay, and here you can see that there is a red symbol, so I need to run with sudo command. Okay, so I will say sudo, and here I already placed several other virtual hosts. So I will say 270 localhost, like local IP, and then here I'm going to say laravel dot test. Okay, and control x. Yeah, now you can see that clear. And now let me go here, and if I refresh it, you can see that you need to give the permission to your laravel directory. So let me go to my folder where www laravel, and here I'm going to say sudo chmod 77 data. Okay, and storage folder. So I'm just given the 777 permission to my storage folder. Refresh, and you can see that now perfectly fine. Okay, but you can see some issue with the connection. So yeah, I can use my SQL connection and create the database. Okay, but yeah, let me go here, and here let me session will be, I will say file, save it. Okay, driver, and hit refresh. Now you can see that perfect. Okay, so you can see that now I don't require to every time run php artisan serve in my system when I log in. So I just need to restart, and like whenever in the morning I'm come, just I will say laravel.test and my laravel application will be here. So I hope guys it helps you. If you like this, then please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.